Hi folks, in this video we're going to take a look at the basics of how your Mac works. So your desktop on your Mac is just like an actual desktop in your home or in your office where you keep everything you need to get things done. Now at the bottom you have what's called your dock, and this provides you instant access to applications and files. And to open something, just click on it. Now let's take a look at the Finder. This is your icon down here on the lower left, and this shows you where all your files are and can help you find anything on your Mac. Also we have the dashboard, and if we click on the dashboard, this brings up a bunch of widgets for various different uses. You can also add different widgets by clicking on this plus button on the left side. That brings up a ribbon. You can then click on any widget you want and it adds it to your widgets. Simply click back on your desktop and it makes the dashboard go away. Let's also take a look at some of the other dock apps. Starting on the lower left, we have the mail icon, and this helps you manage your email. We have Safari, which is your web browser. We have iChat, which helps you use audio and video chats online. You have your address book to help you store addresses and contact info. iCal for your calendar. Preview lets you easily view pictures and PDFs. iTunes helps you manage your music and podcasts. Photo Booth helps you manage your photos or video clips with your webcam. iPhoto is your photo organizer. iMovie is your video editor. GarageBand lets you edit audio and songs. Time Machine helps you easily back up your files. And lastly, System Preferences helps you set things up on your Mac and define all your settings. Next we're going to take a look at stacks. These are folders of commonly used items, and you can access these from your dock, and you can locate your stacks on the lower right side. First you have your application stack, and when you click on it you can see all of your applications on your computer very easily. You also have your documents stack. This lets you peer into your documents folder. And you also have a downloads stack, which lets you see everything you've downloaded. You can easily click on anything that you've downloaded and open it up. Along the upper left is your menu bar, and this changes to match any app that you're currently using. So you can click on any menu and you'll see a list of commonly used commands. On the upper right are your status menus, and you can see there's an icon for your sound to control your volume. There's the date and time on the upper right. You also can see your Wi-Fi connection and manage that as well. And then lastly, your battery power. Let's take a closer look at the Finder. Remember, this is how to access everything you want to do on your Mac. And you can open your Finder window by simply clicking on the Finder icon on the lower left. On the left side, we have what's called your sidebar. And this is a Finder area that helps you navigate your computer better. Just click on an icon to see the files and folders inside. Let's click on Documents. Now you can choose many different views. Right now we're in icon view, and these are your different view options at the very top. And we can set it to list view if we want. We can also set it to column view. Or lastly, we can set it to cover flow view. And in cover flow you can easily scroll through your files and folders just like you would in cover flow in iTunes. To preview a file, just click on a file and use your spacebar key to activate Quick Look. In the Finder menu, in this gear icon right here at the top, you can click New Folder. This is a nice convenient way to be able to create new folders. I'll just call this New Folder. And you can also rename new folders. Very easily. And you can keep all your folders organized exactly how you want. For example, I can simply click on this folder and drag it, drop it into My Pictures. On the upper right we have something called Spotlight, and this is your search feature, and it helps you find anything on your Mac. So all you have to do is just type in what you're looking for, and Spotlight will show you all of the matching files. For example, I can type in Macpreneur, and there we go. It instantly looks up any associated email messages, any dates in iCal, any web pages you've visited recently, and it can give you a dictionary definition of a word as well. Spotlight also does math equations. For example, I can change this to 7 plus 7. There we go. Help on your Mac is also very convenient. Every app has built-in help menus. Just ask a question to get answers quickly. On the upper left, here's the help menu. And here you can type in any question you like. Next, let's take a look at Apple's support website. We'll load up Safari and we'll go to apple.com/support. And here you can find online discussions, product manuals, and answers to many commonly asked questions. I definitely recommend bookmarking apple.com/support. Also, I do recommend AppleCare. All new Macs come with AppleCare built in, but only for a certain amount of time. And this includes expert phone support, global repair coverage, and I recommend extending your AppleCare coverage to at least 3 years to ensure you're well covered. Also, if you prefer to go and get in-person support for your Mac, you can always go to any Apple retail store and talk with an Apple Genius. And you can schedule appointments online as well at apple.com/retail. I definitely recommend knowing where your nearest Apple store is. So there you have it. Those are the basics of learning how to use your Mac.